Welcome to Cine Gear Expo 2019. I'm Tom from Ignite Digi, and this is our booth on the New York Street exhibits. We're really happy to have Aaron Marquette, a local Movi operator, on our booth with us. He's showing off a red helium kit here with the Angino EZ zoom, all of our parts, TB50s, camera plates, a fully lit rig we would call it. Two booths down at CineMoves, our dual TB50 adapters for Movi XL and TB50s for Movi Carbon were on show. Helinet showed their under 55-pound drone with our camera plates on board. We really enjoyed catching up with customers from all over the world and discussing new ideas on how we can best optimise gimbals for on-set use. That's a wrap on Cine Gear 2019. Special thanks to Aaron Marquette and Gabby Marquette. Thanks to everyone that came past and had a chat and looked at our parts. See you next year.